Hi, we are Santiago Prieto and Sofia Martinez, and we are going to talk about our proposal to improve learning in the school.
The objective of this kind of class is to foment the love of learning and create a motivational environment for short-age kids, especially on the math subject. For this, a model based on games and how from this are possible to generate interest and knowledge either will be followed. The first step will be to create small groups to focalize teachers' attention in change of divided between a unique big class. Furthermore, foment teamwork and optimize learning. They'll be formed with the guide of the teacher by taking into account the kids' interest on some kinds of activities. Now, in the class itself, it will take place a dynamic which calls children attention on the topic. For example, the already used Calcudocus, where the whole class participate to solve it. Then, the group activity appears. It will be similar but different dynamic for each group. The base is a game-like activity, as a parent will use to both entertain and teach his child. Imagine giving children a board where they have to accumulate the squares to find the result of a multiplication. They will work together to fulfill the challenge and complete a figure. Well, while learn how to multiply everything, while the teacher acts as observer and guide. Finally, the evaluation moment arrives. Despite being short, it will include the class topic and the kids will have teacher's guide to solve it by thinking on the tool they just acquired. For example, the test will ask for the multiplication they were learning on the class, and they will be supported to remember how they solve it in the game and how they can use that knowledge to solve the test.
Since this type of class is unconventional, unconventional spaces are needed. We want to adapt a classroom to a teaching model based on their particular intelligences, dividing the place into four parts where students will be able to develop their skills according to their ways of learning, either by listening to lectures, taking notes, playing, or discussing. As they are third graders, we want to focus on games as pedagogy. For this, we will play sport games or virtual games according to the theme of the class, preferably with few seats present so that it is different from other classes. All this so that they do not end up relating learning to a tedious process in the future.